Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Ben from Flow Brackets. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install number plates onto a 812 Superfast or GTS. And they are slightly different when it comes to the rear. So today we have something special. It's called a modular base plate. So like most supercars, and this product will apply to a lot of supercars as well, they come into the country completely virgin, and that means that there is no holes on this rear bumper. And the last thing that you want to do is drill holes into your car to mount your number plate, which will also devalue your car. So modular base plate is basically a metal bracket that gets stuck onto your car with 3M tape and primer. And this offers you a modular system because these are all tapped holes, and that means that you can bolt any number plate bracket that we sell onto this. So for example, if you have multiple plates and you like to change plates onto your car, you can bolt off one bracket and bolt on another different size, and this is going to prevent you from sending holes into the back of your car. So for this video, we've gone one step extra. We've made a mounting jig, and this is going to help my own anxiety, but also help you take measuring out of the equation. So the alignment tool basically aligns to the center camera, just like this. We've got a product for the GTS and we've got a product for the Superfast. But align the alignment tool with the center camera so that you can place the modular base plate completely center and straight. So the first thing that we're going to do is get our alignment tool. I've put some temporary double-sided tape on this for now so that it can help us hold the alignment tool onto the car. You can also use some blue tack as well if you have. So what you're going to do is just align it to the camera and then just stick it on. Next, we're going to get our supplied alcohol wipe that's included in the kit and completely wipe down this area. And this is a very important step, especially if you've got a ceramic coated car or you've got PPF that is then ceramic coated. You want to make sure that you take some of that coating off so that you get a proper adhesion. Next, we're going to get our 3M primer. Now this is pretty much the magic of this kit. The 3M primer increases the bond between the two surfaces so that it becomes a semi-permanent bond. So what you're going to do is just crack this vial like this, and it's going to leak out into the applicator pad, and then we can prime the surface. Now the double-sided tape is already pre-applied to the modular base plate with primer, so that you don't need to do that. You only need to prime this surface. Now this was going to work on painted surfaces as well as PPF. Then we're going to grab our modular base plate, flip it over, peel the red liner. Then we're going to align our modular base plate to this alignment tool, and it's going to fit like a glove and take all of our anxiety and measurements out of the equation. It's going to be straight and level every single time. So now that you've applied pressure for at least a good 10 minutes, you can now remove the alignment tool. So now that that is stuck on, and it's almost semi-permanently stuck on, it'll never really come off. You can bolt or move on to the next step, which is basically bolt on a number plate bracket to it. And it's a modular system. There's heaps of different holes and different alignments that you can get your number plate to sit exactly where you want it. You just got to make sure that you get the right bracket to suit the size and style of your number plate. We have chosen to go with this footprint because we think it's quite a good small footprint with enough adhesion on it for it to never come off. But if you find yourself in a unique position where you have a number plate, either 2-digit heritage or single digit where it's smaller than this, we'll have to custom make one specifically for you. But in this case, we're putting on signature plates. So we're just gonna grab our signature bracket and find a position to bolt it on. so that we can mount our signature plates onto the car. So the last step is to get our number plate onto our signature bracket. It just clips in and then tighten off the grub screws. And that is our modular base plate system that offers you a lot of adjustability, modularity, and most of all, no drilling. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.